Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
Every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. Thinking of the day when you went away. What a life to take, what a bond to break. I'll be missing you.
Friends keep saying that you're crazy, totally. It's not right at all. What they believe is not what I see. You keep saying just be good to me. I keep running up and down the town, and I honestly think that you're fooling around. And your friends keep making these rumors every day and every night. Life is life, and if you can't see what you mean to me, then you don't see that every breath you take means the world to me. Totally. They keep saying that you're wasting your time. You keep saying that you gotta be mine. Let it be what it's got to be. So baby girl, just be good to me.
Friends, tell me I am crazy, that I'm wasting time with you. You'll never be mine. That's not the way I see it. 'Cause I feel you're already mine. Whenever you're with me, people always talk about reputation. I don't care about your other girls, just be good to me. Friends are always telling me you're a user. I don't care what you do to them, just be good to me.
People always talking about reputation. Trying to handle this situation, I get a little nervous. Yes, indeed. Don't you know you're the one I need? Maybe I'm here to stay. Sooner or later, I'll find my way. All of this was just because your friends always chase the other race. Face to face. What am I supposed to do when you come on strong? Sure that I really did something wrong. Blah, blah, blah. Riding with your girlfriends all around, baby, just brings me down. Let it be what has got to be. Baby girl, just be good to me.
Friends,